I got my Colourpop Spooky Mystery Box and I'm so excited to see what's in here. If you want to see what's in here as well, grab a beverage and come on in. Hi, I'm Tina. Welcome to Beautiful Journey. I have my scissors for opening, some tweezers for opening boxes or pulling off shrink wrap, and my magnifying glass for reading those tiny labels. I got this yesterday and thankfully had such a busy day that I did not really even have time to think about the fact that it was sitting there. And I had other videos that I planned to film today. It's Saturday, but this takes precedence over all of it. And as usual, it's all packaged very well in here. You can see there's this bubble wrap on top, and oh boy, look at all the goodies. I can't wait. So let's see what's in here. The box was $49 with free shipping. With tax, it came to a little over $51. And I think it promised 7 to 9 full-size products. So we'll see how many I got. The first thing in here are these super cute Powerpuff hair clips. I have been wanting to get some cute hair clips. Usually I just use these that came with my blow dryer, but yeah, they're not very cute. So these are fun, and I will use these in my Get Ready With Me's. And this is a Fresh Kiss lip cream, and the color is Freshest. So I am going to swatch. We're going to roll up my sleeves. I'm going to show you everything. So that's that. Oh, that is so me. I mean, it's basically what I've got on my lips right now. This is the Flower Beauty Petal Pout Matte Lipstick in Naked Blush, I think is the name of it. Yeah, Naked Blush. And it is in my PUD basket. If you don't know what PUD is, it stands for Project Use Up the Dribs and Drabs, and I will link my latest update down below. But I'm going to take this off and put the new one on. I need to put my mirror back up. I cleared off my table so that I would have room for this stuff, but now I can't see to put this on. Okay, that's interesting. It looks a little more orange on my mouth, I think, than it did on my hand. But I still like it. It's a really pretty soft color for fall. And the formula is really nice. It's very pillowy feeling and very velvety. So very much like that. A Colourpop liquid liner. I will edit out some of the openings so this doesn't get too long and boring. And this color is called The Hills, and I think it's green. Oh. There we go. Yes. Oh, that is a super pretty green. Almost a little shimmery, I think. I love that. I just got it all over my fingers. Okay. I need a system here. I got to figure out a landing spot for these things after I open them. All right. Next up is the So Juicy lip gloss from the Lizzie Mcguire collection. And it is a clear sparkle. And yeah, of course I'm putting it on. Oh, that's pretty. It's kind of thick, and it does have a scent, but I'm having a hard time placing it. Kind of bubblegum, I think. Yeah. And it tastes a little like bubblegum too. I like that. That's very pretty. This would be good in my purse. Then, and like everything is really wrapped well. It's got bubble wrap around bubble wrap. This is, I can't read it, of course. Old Flame, and the first word is jasmine, but I can't read the last word. It's a really tiny script. I'm not really sure what this is. Oh, it's a lip set. Okay. So it's a Lippy Pencil and a bullet lipstick. And the Lippy Pencil is in the color Beverly Bungalow. And it is this really pretty berry. Oh, that'll be pretty for fall. The lipstick is in the color Sex Appeal. Oh. And it is a deep kind of pinky red, and they actually go very well together, which I would hope since it's a set. So that will make a really pretty vampy lip for fall and even for Christmas. Wouldn't that make a really pretty Christmas lipstick? Oh, yeah. like that. Like that a lot. All right, then we've got some Colourpop Falsies lashes, and they are very dramatic, but yet also kind of feminine and fluttery too. I really like those. Those are pretty. Wow. Okay. And moving along, I've got the Feather Effect Brow Pen. I love a brow pen. I have two brow pens that I really like, the Milani Weekend Brow, and then this one from Shein that is a double-ended. It's got a micro pencil on one end and a brow pen on the other. I've used up the pencil part of this, but I'm still working on the brow pen. This is in the color medium brown, which might be a little dark for me, but we'll see. Oh, I think actually that might be good. And you can draw with it, or you can make little strokes like that to make those hair-like strokes. It's a very stiff and teeny tiny. Can you see how teeny tiny that tip is there? That will do very well to make those little hair-like strokes. I don't have any brow hairs right up here in the front, and my tail is really sparse, so I like to fill in with one of these to make it look like I have hair where I really don't. There's a lot of stuff in this box, you guys. Okay, this looks like it might be a Super Shock something or other. This is from the Frozen 2 collection, and it's a Glitterly Obsessed glitter gel. Now, I'm not much into glitter gels, so this might end up in a giveaway. So I'm not going to swatch this one because I'm pretty sure that I wouldn't wear it, and I'm not even going to take off it's got a little seal here, so I'm not going to take it off. But it is straight up gold glitter gel, and this could be super pretty, like, you know, on your body or on your eyes if you are a glitter person. So this one I'm not going to actually open, but one of you might receive it in a giveaway. By the way, I blew past 400. I am so surprised. I had like 4 videos that I was planning before I did my giveaway because I thought it would take me a while to get there. I'd been just kind of gathering a subscriber here and there, and that was okay with me. That's not why I'm doing this, but I mean, it's part of why I'm doing this, but I was at 390, and then just over the next few days just went crazy. So I'm actually sitting at like 430, I think. Thank you so much to everyone who's joined recently. I am so glad to have you with us on this journey as we go through midlife and figure out how to wear makeup in our 50s, 60s, and beyond. And especially if you are new to makeup or coming back to makeup, you hadn't really worn it during your 30s and 40s maybe because you were busy or you just didn't really need it, and now you just kind of want to again, but the rules have kind of changed and things are different and products are different. Application techniques are different, and that's just kind of what I want to do here. Is I discovered the YouTube beauty space about 4 years ago, and I just wanted to add my voice to this mature beauty space so that we can all help each other through this sometimes weird, confusing time of life. Back to the makeup. In this little package is a beauty sponge, and this is an interesting shape. It's, you know, the standard egg shape, but it's flat on the bottom, and then there's a beveled side right here with a nice point at the top, and it feels like it's going to be a really nice sponge. The one I have right now is kind of starting to get a little bit like it's about to fall apart when I wash it, so very timely, and I will definitely be keeping and using this. I better not do that. There's a candle back there. That wasn't too smart. Okay, then we have the Bambi Twitter Pated Luxe Gloss Trio. I love lip glosses. I am definitely a lip gloss girl. I think, oh, I'm gonna wear this matte lipstick and leave it as it is, and then inevitably I'm right there putting the lip gloss on top of it and being like, no, it doesn't need to last all day. I'll reapply it, because lip gloss will affect the lasting power of a matte liquid lipstick or a matte bullet lipstick. I don't care. I find that when I eat, it comes off anyway, no matter what it is. I do not have luck with those 14-hour, 8-hour, whatever lipsticks. They don't stay on that long. You're going to have to put them back on anyway. So we have, I'm going to do these, I think, on my, I don't know, we'll swatch them somewhere. So there's 3 colors in here, and they are Thumper, Flower, and Bambi. Now they do look a little bit different in the tubes, but let's see if they do on my arm. This one is Thumper. It's a light shimmery pink. and it pretty much just looks clear, but a little bit shiny. And then Flower looks a little bit purplish and sparkly. And we'll put that one right there. And that does have just a little bit of tint to it. It is just a little bit more purple. Lavender, I guess, not really purple. Although lavender is a purple, never mind. And then this one is Bambi, and it has a little bit of a more nude kind of tone to it. So we'll put that one right there. And that one does have just a little bit of a nude color. So you've got one that's a little more clear, and then a little bit purple and a little nude. These are very nice, and I'm excited to have it. And I've still got 3 things in here. So I have a little palette. This is one of the little 4 pans, and it's in Citrus Fizz. So let's get this open. And it's just a neutral, warm, kind of peachy palette that is super pretty. I'm not going to touch this one because I think I'm going to use this in a giveaway as well. I have other palettes that have these colors in it, so I would like to share this with one of you instead of keeping it and being redundant in my collection. Then I was wondering if there would be anything from the Halloween collection in here, and they do have this Hocus Pocus Witching Hour palette in here, and there is a mirror and a shade saver, and it has some really pretty colors for fall. You've got these purples and greens and golds, and I think it would make a beautiful Halloween look, but it would also make an amazing Mardi Gras look. So if you get this palette, use it for Halloween, but don't put it away until after Mardi Gras, because those would be really nice for that as well. Since we're here and we have our beverage of choice, why don't we go ahead and do some swatches of this Hocus Pocus Witching Hour palette, shall we? I think that sounds fun. I'm going to live swatch a couple, and then I'll do the whole palette on my arm. So, of course, I need to swatch this green and the purple and the gold, I think. Let's do those 3 shimmers. So there's the green. Oh yes, that's super pretty. And the purple. One swipe, so buttery, so creamy, and no fallout. It's not, you can see that it's not that chunky kind of shimmer. And then a gold. Now this one does have a little bit more of the chunkiness, but it's still really pretty. Look at those. Oh. All right, let me clean off my fingers and we'll do a couple of the mattes. Let's see. Let's do this rusty color here, and this purple, and this green. The purple felt a little drier than the other 2, and we'll do them green. Oh my goodness. Did you see the pigment on that? One swipe. Wow. Purple. And it swatched just a teeny bit patchy, but if I do this, I bet it fills in. Yes. Purples, I've heard, can be really hard to formulate correctly, so that was nice. And then here's the kind of rusty, pumpkin-y brown. Oh, that is so pretty, you guys. They are a little bit powdery, so this might be one if you're going to do a deep look that you want to do your eye makeup first before you do your complexion products, because if you have some fallout, these dark colors are going to be tough to clean up if you've already got your makeup done. Okay, I am going to clean up. What did I do with the makeup wipes? I'm not very good at this, you guys. If you could see the state of my makeup table, you would understand why I lose things so easily. It is definitely time for an organization and cleanup. I did one of those before, and if you like vanity tours and cleanups and that sort of thing, I will link that down below so you can take a look at it. I'll also put it up here in the cards. Okay, so I'm not a pro at swatches, but this is the palette here. It has 7 shimmers and 5 mattes, and it really does have everything you need to create a complete eye look, from the lighter colors that, if your skin tone's like mine, you can set your primer with. It has 2 different options for crease colors. It has an inner corner highlight, and of course then it has these beautiful lid shimmers and these wonderful mattes for deepening up the crease and the outer V. This is just stunning. I can't wait to play with this and get it on my eyes. And if you'd like to see me do a Halloween look with this, then let me know down in the comments below and I will see what I can do. Believe it or not, there's one more palette in here. I need my scissor. I've been so excited I forgot all about my coffee, but maybe I've had a little too much coffee this morning. Drink break. I buried my scissors. Oh, there they are. Scissors were buried under a pile of Colourpop. Okay. This is the palette In the Springs. I don't think I've ever seen or heard of this palette before. So I don't know if I want it or not, but I'm excited to see what it looks like. The packaging is really pretty and it's kind of embossed and raised, and I bet it's going to be kind of a summery. Yep, it is. It is. There's no mirror, which is fine. I don't use a mirror in a palette anyway. I'd prefer them not to have them. It's all of these pretty teals and peachy kind of shades, warm neutrals. You could do a really neutral look. There's a purple over here that you could do like an oceany blue. And I think this is just super pretty. These colors remind me of the eye look that I created in my using the color wheel to help plan your eye looks. It was part of my Makeup Basics series. I will link that playlist and that video down below and up in the cards, because if you didn't know that you could put blue and orange or teal and peach together, they look amazing together because they are opposites on the color wheel and those colors complement each other very nicely. So I will link that video if you want to check it out. I don't know that I want to swatch this one just yet because I want to look at other palettes in my inventory and make sure that I don't have something that's similar to this. If I do, then I would much rather put this in a giveaway because I know that I love Colourpop's formula and I know that the formula of this is going to be amazing. But I don't want to just duplicate something that I already have. So I'm not going to put my fingers in this one. And if it is something that's unique and special to my inventory, then I'll keep it. But if not, I plan on sharing it with you. All right, so I am going to put these back in the box and count how many products I got for my $49. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 products for $49. Let me do a little math. That's a little over $3 per item, and that's a really good deal because I will use or share with you everything in this box. I am really happy that I got this box. If you want to keep hanging out, then check out that video right there, and I will see you over there. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye-bye.